What's up, everybody? Week 4 of our journey to find the best buffalo wings in Colorado Springs. We've got Deluxe Wingz this week down on the south end, and boy, I am excited. We got a whole pack. They are a super small local takeout only spot, so we are sitting here on my patio, really small group, hanging out eating some wings. So let's dive into it. Gonna start with a flat. This buffalo sauce is so good, man. It's got heat, nice and buttery, nice traditional. Just got that orange, nice and thick. Man, it's so good. All right, what I really appreciate about these is these are some good sized wings. They're cooked marvelously. They're really crispy and super tender, juicy chicken. I love it. All right, so it's review time. Man, these are good. These are going to be hard to compete with. As far as, it's just a great deep fried wing. It is so tender. It is so juicy. Just cooked absolutely perfectly. The skin is crispy and crunchy, but there's a lot of meat. So as far as texture goes, got to give it a solid 8.5. The size of the wing is really good. And on flavor, this has got to be one of the best buffaloes, if not the best buffalo I've ever had. It's got some heat. It's just the traditional buffalo flavor. It is so good. So we're going to give it a 9. Here we go.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
All right, so this week I want to give a review opportunity to my #1 supporter, my 5-year-old daughter, Olivia.
They're so good, and I like the fries, and they're spicy, and I really like the ranch. An 8 out of 10.
I want to give another special thanks to everyone who has continued to support our journey here trying to find the best buffalo wing in Colorado Springs, and everyone who came out to my little patio today. Had a beautiful day. It was a great time. Don't forget, AmeriDry Restoration. We are your go-to mold, water, fire, odor, trauma cleanup crew, serving all of the Front Range all of the time. We look forward to serving you even more. We'll see you guys next week, and it's going to be a good one. I love how this thing is shaping up. It's a lot of fun. We'll see you later.